I want to encourage you young people. Let us now occupy leadership. Let's not just talk about occupying the spaces we have been occupying. The 2027 general election should be about young people occupying leadership at all cadres, so that you make the changes that you desire and the changes you would like to see in your country. Please, young people, you are more than those of us who cannot be described as young, which means take charge, take control. If politics is a game of numbers, please take charge of that game as young people. And take it so seriously that you do not allow people who do not make sense to you or who do not offer credible proposals on how our country should go forward to have an opportunity to occupy positions of leadership. The debate now is about the future of our country. So we urge you, I would like to urge you, to boldly and courageously move forward and make your contribution to the welfare, the betterment of our country. Those of you who interacted with in 2015, 2016, 2017 during the famous communion with the truth in the examination sector, you know that when we stick with the truth, we get the right thing done. And when we stand firm, we get the right result.